Welcome to my channel Paris Programming. Today's topic is Pell Series. What is this Pell Series is called? Sir, we know display series, we know sum series, we know Fibonacci series also. But what exactly this Pell Series is? If you don't know its answer, it is your fault. If you will get this question in your board examination, can you write, it is not taught to us, I don't know, I am not aware of this, I was absent in that particular class. We cannot write like this. If you will write, you will not get marks. So many times student told me, sir, while displaying, a extra comma is coming at the end. How we can remove that particular comma? At the end of this video, I will tell you how we can remove the unnecessary comma that is coming at the end of the display series. So in order to get marks, we have to write down the answer. So today we'll learn Pell series to get full marks. So first of all, we'll see what is the question. It says that write a program to display the first 7 numbers of Pell series. First 7. We have already learned how to display the series. We have also learned how to display the first 10, up to 10, first n and up to n. So we don't have any problem with this. If you don't know, then you have to watch this video to learn about how to display first n and up to n. In this video, we will learn how to display the Pell series. So let's see what is this Pell series is called. It says that Pell series starts from 1 and 2. Sir, it's just like Fibonacci series. No, Fibonacci series starts from 0 and 1. If you don't know what is Fibonacci series, then check out this video to get the idea about Fibonacci series so that you can understand this Pell series quite easily and comfortably. Okay, so let's see what is the next part. It says subsequent number. What do you mean by subsequent number? That means the first term is 1, second term is 2. It is talking about the third term. Numbers are the sum of. That means it is going to add. It is going to add with what? The first one is the twice the previous number. That means the previous number of the third term will be multiplied with what? We have to calculate the twice. That means it has to be multiplied with 2. And that means it is going to be added with the number previous to the previous number. That means third term, twice of the previous number will be added with its previous number. Let's check an example to see how exactly we are going to get the output. As we know, the first 2 term is 1 and 2, and the next term is going to be generated like this. Look at this. The previous term, that is, this is my third term that I am going to display. Its previous term is 2. So that's why I am considering 2. Twice of this, that is multiplied with 2, added with previous, this is my previous, 2 previous term, that is 1, is going to be added with 1. The result is 4 plus 1 is 5. So the next term is 5. What is going to be the next term? The next term will be this one. Its previous term is 5. So that's why 5, twice of the 5, 5 into 2, its previous 2 previous term, which is 2. That's why plus 2, which becomes 12. What will be the next term? Yes, 12 into 2 plus its previous to previous term 5. That is 12 into 2, 24 plus 5. We got 29. Next term is 29 into 2. Previous is 12, which is equivalent to your, yes, 58 plus 12 is 70. Next term will be 70, twice of 70 plus previous is 29, which is equivalent to your 169. This is my first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth, this is fifth term, this one is sixth, and this one is 7. We have to stop here because it says that first 7 terms. Hope I am clear to everyone. So let's start the program. These are the common part. We don't need this one because I don't need to accept any data. Class is the keyword. Paris programming is the class name. Each word first letter capital. Beginning the body of the class, end of the body of the class. Public, static, void, main, which is the method from which Java program starts its execution. It takes one parameter which is of type string, and it's an object of the string, so it can be anything. Empty square bracket indicates it is an array. Here we'll start the proceeding of your Pell series, where we need 3 terms. I am taking first term is equal to 1, comma, second term is equal to 0, and third term is equal to 0. 3 terms I have taken, where I will display this one. It is just like your Fibonacci series. That's why I will suggest first check this video which is telling about Fibonacci series, which will give you the basic idea of Fibonacci series. Based on that only I have designed this Pell series. Here we have to go for first 7 terms. So I will use for loop because I know how many times to iterate. Int term is equal to 1. Term is less than is equal to 7 for the 7 terms. T plus plus, which indicates increasing the term by 1. Inside this, what I am going to do, I will apply the mechanism that we have learned in the example. That is, third term will be updated with previous term. What is the previous term? It is second term. Twice of the second term into 2 plus previous to previous. Its previous term is second term. Previous to previous is first term. That's why added with the first term. After updating the third term, what I am going to do, I will display system.out.print because I want to display side by side. After this, I will say tt, which is my third term, plus within quotes comma. It is separated by comma. After that, what I am going to do, I will shift the values of the term. So first term is equal to second term, and second term is equal to third term, which is similar to your Fibonacci series. Let's execute it. Yes, we got first term, second term, 2 into 2, 4, plus 1 is 5, third term is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, then 12 into 2, 24, plus 5, 29, like this, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, and so on. I promised, I will tell you how to remove this comma at the end. Look at over here, it is displaying, updating the third term and displaying. In between, I will say if the term, which one? This is for the term. If the term is equals to 7, that means it is the last term. Then what I am going to do? I am going to display only the term, that is tt, else otherwise displayed with comma. Here I am saying if the term is the last term, then display only the value. If it is not the last term, then display the value with comma. Let's see. Yes, we got it. So it's time for homework. let's see what is the homework for us this time. It says that display Pell series up to n. In this video we learned first 7. Like this we can do the program first n, but this time it is saying about up to n. So let's see how we can do this. If n value is 70, what should be my output? My output should be 1, 2, 5, 29 and 70. Last term will be 70. But if it is first n terms and n is given as 5, then in that case it should be first term, this should be second term, this should be third term, this should be fourth term, and this should be fifth term. That means I should display up to 29. If it is up to 29, I will display up to 29. If it is first 5, then I will opt for this one. But if the same question is for up to n, then what should be the n value? Up to n, that is 70. First n value must be 6. So just get a clear about between this up to and first. But it will be a very long program. How we will do? How you will do? Only you will give me the logical part of this particular program. Where you will give it in my YouTube comment section. Also, if you want any other explanation, if I missed out something over here, then feel free to comment in my YouTube comment section. Also, don't forget to give thumb up or like if you like the video. With this, thank you.